In Colorado, the Northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park and Nederland, and the Southern Front Range foothills including Idaho Springs and Evergreen. High wind warning in effect from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. What? West winds 30 to 50 miles per hour with gusts up to 80 miles per hour expected. Where? The Northern Front Range foothills and the Southern Front Range foothills. When? From 8 p.m. this evening to 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages may result. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. This is a winter storm warning from the